time for a spooky video. Today is the last of my Halloween-y type videos, and I know it's a little late, but when it was Halloween time, I was having a big problem with my eye, and it was just really, really bad, and I had to stay in bed, so I didn't have time to film it, but I do now. So you're probably thinking, what's going on? Because there's nothing here. This video is gonna be the OOAK Halloween creations that I made for this year. I only made 2 because, like I said, I was sick and had all that going on, but I love them and I hope you enjoy them. So this video is not going to be very long. So without a lot more talking, we're just going to show you the spooky cute girls I made for Halloween. Yay! First girl, brrr, ha, spooky ha, is this awesome Clawdeen. She is the Scary Reef version and I French braided her hair. I love her hair blend, but I wanted her hair to be kind of up out of the way so you could see the outfit. I made this adorable little, I guess it would be called a fascinator because anything that's on the head that's small like a hat or something is called a fascinator. These came from Dollar Tree. They're the little felt sticker mabobs and I put them on a stick pin and I put them in her head as a little hat accent and I love it. And I love her face. Now this little like bolero jacket or like sleeve cuff jacket or whatever you want to call it is ribbon. And this came from Dollar Tree as well. It's got bats on it and I just thought it was so super cute and I love the way I ruched it here. It had wire edge in it and I took the wire edge out of this side, but I left it in this side and I tied it up. And then in the back here, see how cute it looks? I just think it is adorable. And it's just like a little capelet or like a bolero or whatever you want to say, but it's so stinking cute and I love, love, love it. Then I made this. Again, these are the little felt stickers, but I put them on like cardboard to make them sturdier. And then I put some of the ghosty ribbon on the edge. I used a piece of cardstock as well to make the sides and stick that ribbon there too. And then for the handle, I used this kind of cutout ribbony stuff that is spiders and webs in the purple color. And I just thought that was adorably cute. And it's double-sided, so it goes all the way around. And it's got the hole in the top there, so you can actually put something in it. I had so many ideas. I was gonna make some candy and have it sticking out. And then, ha ha ha, the main event is this dress. I love it. It's so simple, but it's so effective and cute. Just look at it, y'all. Isn't it adorable? It's just a little tube dress, but I fit it to her body so it would be more shapely. And it is made out of a sock from the Dollar Tree, and it's got Jack Skellington on it from The Nightmare Before Christmas. Isn't that cute? And it just so happened to work out perfectly where these little lines and everything kind of went together. I hemmed the top with my Loctite glue that I told you guys that I love. It was so small and dainty, I didn't want to sew it there, but I did hem the bottom. I sewed the bottom and I sewed the back here, but you can't really see my stitches. Then I stole these shoes from a Frankie doll so that her like look would be kind of complete. She had purpley shoes on to begin with. So there she is, full frame so you guys can see her. I think she's adorable. I really do love the way she came out, just so cute. Everything just came together perfectly and I managed to finish her before I got too sick, so yay! So there's our cutie cute Clawdeen for Halloween. I hope you like her. I work really hard on these and I always enjoy sharing them with y'all because y'all have such a good response to my one-of-a-kind creations. So there she is, on to the next. And now, we have this witchy girl, this Draculaura, and she's my favorite, obviously. I love her. Now, I want you to see the full look of her before I get into the details and stuff because I mean for her to stand like this with the witchy broom here that I made. I made all of this myself. The only thing I didn't make are the spiders that I put on it, obviously, and the boots. But everything else I made by hand, and I just love it. I said I wanted to make a pink witch, and this is not what I had in mind, but I did have this vision for her, so I made her this year. Now, her broom I made all by myself. This here, all the way down through the middle, as you can see there on the bottom, is just a stick from one of the trees in my yard. I loved this stick's craggliness and I loved its curved shape. See how it curves that way? And I just couldn't resist, so I used this as the broom handle. And then this here on the bottom that makes up the little bristles is made out of a toilet paper roll that I painted. Now I painted all of this by hand. Now I ombre'd the stick from light pink to kind of a fuchsia to kind of a purpley pink down here. And I did the same thing with the little bristles that I ended up making out of the toilet paper roll. And then on the bottom, I used fingernail polish to get this iridescent effect. On top of the acrylic paint that I painted this with, I used some sparkle nail polish as well. Then I took this teal ribbon that I love this color, and I wrapped it to make her little witchiness go along there. And then I added one little spider there for an accent, and I just think this is so adorably cute. I absolutely am so in love with the way it turned out. It's just so cute. I love it. And now for the Draculaura. This is the food truck Draculaura that I used because I just loved her eye makeup and her streak in her hair. I just loved her. Now this at the top here is that faux like leathery stuff I got from Temu. I showed you guys it in my last haul, but I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to make anything with it. Well, I did. I made this hat. I love it. I love how it turned out. And I also used the same spider and webbing kind of like cut out ribbon here to accent it. And I covered the joint where, you know, I put the cone together to make it into a witchy hat. And I also put it around here. And I also did this tealy satiny ribbon and I secured it onto her head with this stick pin. I also added a bunch of the little spiders. I got these, they were confetti from Walmart like a year or two ago. That's what they were said to be. And I glued these on with my Loctite glue that I love. I did several. I just thought it was so cute. And then I took a scrap of fabric and made a little bow here to go on top of the bow that I made with the tealy ribbon. And I also secured in the front the hat because I wanted it to be good and secure where it wouldn't fall off of her for display purposes. So I put one in the front and one in the back. And I just love how it turned out. It's so cute. It's the perfect size. Everything just turned out so good. This, how I did it, I made the cone the size I wanted, and then I just cut out a circle the size that I wanted, and then I cut a hole in the middle, like I made an X, and then I glued that up into the inside of the hat so that her head would fit. And you can't see it because of the way I've got it secured, and I don't want to take it off. Maybe I'll do a tutorial one day if you guys want to see how I did it. Then I fashioned these little arm cuffies. They are so cute, and they're kind of easy, and plus, I didn't hem them on purpose because I wanted them to do this kind of fraying thing over time because I just thought that would be cute. So all I did was take a rectangle of fabric, and then I zigzag sewed it in out, and pulled it tight and make the little ruffling. And then since the hands come off, you can just gauge how big you want it to be and then secure it down. And then you can just put it on their little wristies for these little wristy cuffs. I love doing these. I do these a lot sometimes. And I secured it and cinched it with the little tealy ribbon. And I didn't make a bow because I just wanted it to hang. So that's why I did it like that. And they're not perfect. Each one is a little different. I think they're super duper cute and I love adding accents like that. They're just so adorable. And then I made this wraparound dress with the pleats and I left the top. I did put a little bit of like the glue to secure it so it doesn't unravel a lot, but I left a little bit so that it could do that like fuzzing thing like on the cuffs here. I just thought that was cute, you know, and kind of rusticy for a witchy. I just thought that would be adorable. And then I tied it off. I wrapped it around her waist 2 or 3 times and then I tied it off and just knotted it with this tealy satin ribbon that I love. And I love this fabric. This fabric came from Dollar Tree and I just thought it was pinky and purpley. And that's where I got like the idea to do the ombre because it had pink here and then it had this ombre purple bat and she's Draculaura. And I just thought that was so cool. And I only added one little spider to her skirt. I was going to add more and then I thought, no, just that one. That's all I want. And I was also going to add like a floofy underskirt. And I decided not to do that as well because the skirt on its own, see how much it flounces out with the pleats that I did? I didn't think it needed it. And I just secured it here. There's a little snap under there, but I can't undo all that just to show you the snap. Just trust me, there's a snap under there. You guys know I love the snaps. And then here's what it looks like from the back. So super cute. I just love it. And then I left her booty boots on because I loved these so much. I went on and on about these in her deboxing video and I just thought they went perfectly with her little ensemble. So there she is, pretty much full on again. I hope you enjoyed seeing her. I loved making her and I also love thinking about sharing them with you guys when I make them. I think about how exciting it is to get to share my one-of-a-kind creations and all my creativity with y'all. It's so fun. And I hope you enjoyed this video even though it's late. And if you've been with me to this point in the video, I have to say super huge hugs and belated Halloweeny love to all you lovely watchers and subscribers out there. Y'all are truly the best. And I also have to say thank you super much for being with me and for watching, y'all. As always, I hope everybody watching is well, happy, and safe, having a great, great, great dolly day, and that all the good, best things that are in this life that can come to you, I honestly, truly hope they will. I have to say, great, big, huge, awesome, lovely subscriber, loved all you wonderful, lovely subscribers out there. I can never say enough just how awesome, just how wonderful, just how sweet, and just generally how amazing y'all are. I have to say, super huge thank you for everything you do. It's always, always greatly appreciated by me, Christy here. If you haven't subscribed yet, you should. Come on, y'all. Come and join the great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family that we have built here together, which grows by the day. It is so big and so awesome now. I can never say enough just how much that means to me that you come along, hit that button and say, boop, we like your Dolly silliness and craziness and all the Dolly goodness you get up to. So if you want to become part of one-of-a-kind creations, hauls, thrifts, vlogs, shorts, DIYs, anything you can think of in the Dolly world, I'm going to try it right here. And hopefully we have fun while we're doing it. So, like I said, if you want to become part of all that Dolly goodness, come along and join us because we would love to have you. And as I always say and mean in every single way, absolutely everyone, no matter what you're into, is always, always welcome here. Well, y'all, we did it. We made it through this pretty short-ish, but cute, Halloweeny, belated, one-of-a-kind fashion girl that I made. Cute little Draculaura witch over here, and then stylish little Clawdeen over here. I hope you enjoyed it, and you all know what I'm gonna say. Happy, happy dolling, happy boo-tacular day, and bye, y'all!